Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to reset your Ray-Ban Meta glass. Okay, in order to reset, right, what you need to do is simple. It's very simple. So I'm going to do the factory reset because I'm not able to pair it again. In order to factory reset, right, so begin by folding the glasses arms closed. So if it is open, right, you need to close it. Both arms you need to close it. Okay, then press the capture button for 5 times. You should see the LED turn solid orange. Okay, this LED should turn solid orange, and then once the LED has turned orange, press and hold the button for 5 seconds and release once the LED starts pulsing. Okay, good. And then the glasses will begin resetting and boot back, which could take 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. Once booted, the glasses automatically enter discovery mode again. It's very simple, friends. Now I need to press this capture button for 5 times. So we need to press it immediately. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. See, it started blinking the orange. You need to press it quickly. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Tuck 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 tuck. Simple. Okay, then what you need to do is you need to press and hold the button again. I need to press and hold once the orange light is turned on. Okay, as soon as it turned on, I need to press and hold it. So now I'm going to do it 1 2 3 4 5. So now again I need to press and hold. If I leave it, right, it will turn to green and it will go to normal mode. 5 seconds, it started pulsing. Okay, LED starts pulsing. So the glasses will begin resetting and boot back. So I need to wait for some time. It will take up to 30 seconds. Okay. So once it's booted, right, the glasses automatically enter discovery mode again. We'll see. I'm going to check what is going to happen after I'm giving next. Unpair glasses on the phone. Done. So now it started searching. So I need to bring it to pairing mode. Okay, automatically it's coming actually. If it is not turned to blue, right, you need to press and hold this capture button for 5 seconds. So automatically it will be pulsing. So this is the pairing blue light. So now I'm going to give connect. So I'm going to give pair. It's activating. Already I have added my Facebook account. So Bluetooth also is turned on. So that's it, friends. Hello. Put on your glass. So definitely this video will be very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedback to me. Thank you. Bye and take care.